Ahead of the monsoon session, a Congress MP has given the adjournment motion seeking discussion on NEET paper leak. Remember, the opposition had also been demanding a discussion on NEET in the previous session as well, and that continues. An adjournment motion has been given seeking a discussion on the NEET issue. That's the update coming in on expected lines. Remember, the Congress party has been saying time and again that there should be a discussion on NEET, and this is the Congress MP Manikyam Tagore who has given an adjournment motion seeking a discussion on the NEET paper leak. And this is the letter which, of course, says that I hereby give a notice to ask to move a motion of adjournment in the House. So the Congress MP is seeking a discussion on NEET. So let's go across to my colleague Sabyasachi, who's joining us. The letter, of course, shows that this House do suspend all listed business of the day to discuss the unprecedented cases of paper leaks. Listen in to these reactions.
जैसे राजनाथ सिंह जी ने कल ही कहा कि हाउस चले ये सबकी जिम्मेदारी है और सत्ता पक्ष निश्चित रूप से चाहेगा कि हाउस चले, ये बजट सत्र है तो अच्छी चर्चा होगी। तो निश्चित रूप से जो हमने विकसित भारत बनाने का लक्ष्य लिया है उसमें सभी मिलकर के काम करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। ये बात हुई थी
जी सर। ऑपोजिशन कांवड़ यात्रा को लेके जो है हीटअप हो रही है, कह रही है हम लोग डेफिनेटली
कल भी ये मुद्दा आया था चर्चा में। थैंक यू
जी सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर। So yesterday in the all-party meeting, remember the opposition has spoken about some of these issues, demanding a discussion on the NEET controversy and of course also speaking about the Kanwad Yatra, the notification that has been given by the Uttar Pradesh government. Going across to Sabyasachi on that. Sabyasachi, the all-party meeting that you were speaking of, Rajnath Singh had given a message to the opposition saying in as many words that this is a collective responsibility for us. We should ensure the smooth functioning of the parliament. But the opposition has raised several of the issues, an adjournment notice being given for NEET, the alleged misuse of central agencies, and of course one of the key issues is also going to be the Kanwad Yatra notification.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. See, the message from Rajnath Singh has been very clear that the central government, the NDA government, in fact, is ready to have a discussion on the agendas of the opposition parties, irrespective the fact that the decorum of the House needs to be maintained. Now, from the centre, they have been saying that for the House to function smoothly, it is very much important that the collective efforts of the opposition parties are there to make sure that the House runs properly, the business that is listed can take in place, the important bills that are to be passed, that can take place without any sort of disruption, because we had seen that in the past session as well, clearly there has been ruckus that is taking place inside the House. The opposition MPs is walking out of the parliament. So clearly at this particular time from the NDA side, this all-party meeting was extremely crucial. In fact, the NDA has said that this meeting has been very beneficial. They have a very fruitful discussion with the different opposition leaders. But see, at this particular point, the opposition leaders, in fact, the floor leaders and different political parties have put out their agendas. Some of them have been demanding a special status for their respective state, as well as from the Congress. In fact, they have spoken about the UPSC saga, as well as the NEET fiasco that is going on, and also the deputy speaker post that is yet to be given. So ruckus is definitely could be seen.
Okay, fireworks expected today as well. Just over an hour to go for the session to begin. Sabyasachi, we'll continue coming back to you for those updates. Thank you for joining us.